While Mars rover digging up its first rock, well, it had a unique problem. NASA's Perseverance drilled into the surface of Mars, but it failed in its initial attempt to collect rock samples that would be picked up by future missions for analysis by scientists on Earth. As we know, all these rovers are tested on Earth many times before they go up in order to do their work on another planet like Moon or Mars. The U.S. Space Agency published images Friday of a small mound with a hole in its center next to the rover, the first ever dug into the red planet by a robot. NASA's Perseverance Mars rover, my first drill hole, it said on Mars. Collecting and storing rock samples is a big and complex task, and this is a huge step. And the next would be processing. But data sent to Earth by the rover after its first attempt to collect a sample and seal it in the test tube indicated no rock had been gathered. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. And this is the image of the Perseverance rover drill hole. It did not gather anything from what the test tube showed. Now, while this is not the hole-in-one we hoped for, there's always risk with breaking new ground. This is what Thomas Zurbuchen, Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Director, has said in his statement. He says, "I'm confident we have the right team working this, and we will persevere towards a solution to ensure future success." The sampling of Mars is one of my most complicated tasks. This is what Perseverance Mars rover is telling us. Early pictures and data show a successful drill hole, but no sample in the test tube, something we've never seen in testing on Earth. Mars keeps surprising us. We're working through this new challenge and more to come. So why were there no samples in the test tube? The drill hole is the first step for a sampling process that's expected to take about 11 days, with the aim of looking for signs of ancient microbial life that may have been preserved in ancient lakebed deposits. Scientists also hope to better understand Martian geology. The mission took off from Florida a little over a year ago, and Perseverance, which is the size of a large family car, landed on February 18 in the Jezero crater. Scientists believe the crater contained a deep lake 3.5 billion years ago, where the conditions may have been able to support extraterrestrial life. NASA plans a mission to bring about 30 samples back to our Earth in the 2030s to be analyzed by instruments that are much more sophisticated than those that can be brought to Mars at present. This is by Agence France Presse on Science Alert. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support.